Alice Tennis is the Senior Vice President of Senior Services at Rails Jewish Family Services in Boca Raton. Her job is to make sure seniors feel seen and heard.
Sometimes when you bring up depression or those kind of things, people can be dismissive and say, oh, well, they're old, what do you expect? But really, the mental health issues that seniors face are very treatable and can provide a higher quality of life if they get things addressed.
She says the two most common issues seniors face are anxiety and depression.
Losing loved ones, losing their physical ability, but anxiety often is underlying there and goes untreated, and what that can look like is feeling anxious about the future, feeling insecure about either finances or day-to-day activities.
Tennis says those feelings can cause some seniors to withdraw, become less stimulated and connected, and fall into a downward spiral. She says it's important to get help from a doctor, but also community services like Rails JFS.
We have counselors, we have support groups, a variety of things that people can learn more about managing their condition. And then social connections are really important.
And she is urging seniors who are currently struggling to not give up.
Even if you're dealing with mental health issues, there are better days ahead. There are treatments and there are ways to feel better.
In Boca Raton, Jay Jarvis, WPBF 25 News.